Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you create a stunning cybersecurity website on WordPress that you can deliver to client quickly and easy way. For those who don't know me, my name is Sahil Sonkar, co-founder and CEO of Digi Eminence, a digital marketing web and app development agency. We have managed millions of dollars in the performance marketing for over the 100 plus clients and delivered 5,000 plus websites. So let's dive in. We will cover in this video theme purchase process from the ThemeForest. Then we will cover how to set up and install WordPress on Hostinger. After that, this is very important part of the website creation that set up a basic WordPress optimization and install theme on WordPress. First thing, we need to get the right theme. So I'm going to walk through the exact process to purchase a premium WordPress theme from the ThemeForest. So this is the ThemeForest marketplace. Here we can find the themes and templates. So we can use that help us the website development. Here, when you select and find any theme for your WordPress, so there is some parameter that you will need to follow for selection your best theme. First, theme review. Second, regular updates, good support, demo varieties, and speed optimizations. For this tutorial, I'm using Waximo Cybersecurity because it's fit to our requirements. So let's process the purchase. So this is the search bar of ThemeForest. So here we can put our theme name and search here. So after that we click here so we already purchased this theme yesterday, and after you purchase and process all the payments and requirements, you will get your theme through the mail. So you can directly download here. So you will redirect here, and after that this is the one button, download button. You will click here. So first you download, then after that you will get your license key out as well. So let's download first. Okay. All right, now we have a theme. So this is my dummy domain where we install the WordPress. Here is the option is a auto installer. Click here, select WordPress. Here is a one pop-up window where I need to put my website title. So example website Z, email ID and username. I select the username and just a random password. Okay. After that, we click here. I click the next. After clicking the installation, the WordPress will be installed. So here we already download the WordPress. So click here. Go to the dashboard. Click on appearance and after the theme. Add a theme and then upload a theme. So we have a zip file here. This is the overall website zip file. So we have upload here. Go select ThemeForest, remove and open. Simply install here. So we have already activated this theme on the main domain. So here now theme is activated. Now the fastest way to get professional good looking website to import the demo content. Okay. So in this theme we have a two options here, import demo data. Second, we have to go to theme plugins. So we go and click here the import demo import option. Before that, we click here to get started and plugins. Activate all requirement plugins that you have required. After the activation all plugins, you need to put the purchase code here and activate the themes. There is an option demo import. Here you need to install one more plugin. There's a one-click demo import plugin. After the installation, you need to click here import demo data. So there is lots of pre-built templates here. So I am using that one basically. So after that, click here to install button, and this usually take 5 to 10 minutes to install all the pages on your website. So I already installed that. This is what the final result, fully responsive professional website ready to customize and for the cyber security clients.